I'm gonna review the set. I don't know what the set's called, but I'll show you to you guys. So this is like an airplane. This is like an airplane where like there's only 2 wheels right there, and then there's a lady up there, if you can see her. And then there's a guy back here. There's a guy back here right there, and I'll close the hatch so he can fly away. He'll fly back into the ground. He's gonna land right here. Good job, plane. So right here is the air show plane hangar. It says it right there. If you can read upside down. I don't want. And this is air show hangar. There's a close up at the lady right there, and then you already saw the other stamp. So I'm gonna review something that is not necessary. Well, my extra pieces I put here somewhere on the build. Like right now, I put the extra pieces right there, so I wouldn't lose them in like a baggie or something. And I took apart my other planes, so I'm not gonna review them. I don't want to build it, because I don't know how to do a lot of stuff on YouTube. I'm not a big YouTuber. In Maine. I live in Maine. Yeah, I think. Maine. Yep, Maine. Yeah. That's my air show hangar with plane. Bye, guys.